Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make moon fries. This turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In a saucepan, add in chopped potatoes, water. I'll cover it and bring it to a boil. So once it's cooked and a fork can easily be inserted like so, that means it's ready. Take it off from the fire, drain the water and mash it. So I'm using this potato masher to mash it. If you don't have this type of potato masher, you can use a fork or a wooden spoon to mash it. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I'm using in the comment section or in the description box below. So when done mashing, add in sugar, salt, corn flour or cornstarch. Add in coconut milk, coconut essence or coconut flavor. Lastly, I added in baking powder. I'll mix these ingredients till well combined. So this is what you're looking for. The potato should be sticky like this. I'll then add in rice flour and then mix these ingredients together till well combined again or until it forms a dough. So I'll then move in with my hands and make sure everything has come together and then until it has formed a dough, a soft dough just like so. So at this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oil. I'll set this aside. After, I'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. Transfer the dough on it. I divided it into two because the work surface is very little. Make sure you sprinkle flour on top and roll it gently. Don't put a lot of pressure. Roll it gently. So I use this cookie cutter to cut it, but if you don't have it, you can use a plastic or even a glass that has a round shape. And that's what you're looking for. The first one wouldn't be nice, so take the first one out and then just use the cookie cutter to cut it like that, or it's corn cutter to cut it. So this is the moon shape you're looking for. When done, by then the oil should be hot enough and then fry these bad boys. So this is very simple, it's easy. And then the coconut that I added to it, guarda, I'm speaking Italian now. it give it like you feel the coconut in like the flavor that I added to it, guys. Keep turning, keep flipping it until they are golden brown on both sides and you are ready to go. This is very easy to make and trust me, it's delicious as well. It's not too much sugary, like too much sweet. It's in between, so it makes it more nicer. This is very trust me, how your kids are going to fall in love with this recipe, trust me. So when you get to this point like that, it's ready. Take it off from the fire and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So the last thing I'm adding here is the desiccated coconut, and I'll toast it in and you are done. You are good to go. Just look at it. This gives it extra crunch and it's so delicious. You see your moon, your half moon. You can also call it French fries. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.